Hello, we're going to talk about our next unit, Chapter 3, which is Roots and Powers. And this is a big unit, so it's going to take us a little bit of time to go through it. Our plan is to do videos per example or two in 2, 3, maybe 4-minute lengths so that you can pause and go back and have a look at other things that you might want to review for yourself. We're going to do a little bit of review now. So we talked about factors ever since grade 7. So remember that factors are numbers that can be multiplied together to get a product. For example, 3 and 7 are factors of 21 because from our multiplication tables we remember that 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 21. Just like 2 and 3 are factors of 6 because 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So we'll do our first example here now, and we're going to list all of the factors of 12. So if I think about my times tables charts from way back when, or if I want to start an organized list, I would think in my head that find my pen. I would think in my head, what are all the ways that I can multiply to get 12? So I could have 1 multiplied by 12. I could have 2 multiplied by 6. I could have 3 multiplied by 4. And those are all of the ways that I could multiply to get 12. So if you want to put them in an organized list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are all of my factors for 12. So then we have to think about all the factors of 84. 84 is a much larger number. So again, I would try to do an organized list, and we always start with the one we miss the most often, 1. So 1 multiplied by 84 is 84. 2 multiplied by 42 is 84. 3 also divides into it, and this is a nice place to think about your divisibility rules. If the number is even, 2 is going to go into it. If it's divisible by 3, I look at my 2 digits. 8 plus 4 is 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. So then I know that 3 divides evenly into 84. And you can always use your calculator to check. So 84 divided by 3 would give me 28. And then I check 4. 4 multiplied by 21 is 84. 5, remember, if it's divisible by 5, the last digit has to be 0 or 5, so I'm skipping over 5, and I'm going to 6. 84 is divisible by 6, it's 14 times. And then I look at 7. Does 7 divide into 84? Yes, 7 multiplied by 12. And I can check 8, 9, 10. None of those divide into 84. 11 is no, and 12 brings me back to my list. So once I get that point where I'm back to a number that's already in my list of factors, I know that I have them all. So if I want to write an organized list, I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12, 14, 21, 28, 42, and 84 are all factors of 84.